po kayo sa akin. Sa kamay ko po. Yung ibaba po ang siko. Yeah, i-relax po ang shoulder. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Go posture up. Turn to your left. Turn to your right. How is it? Any tension, ngalay?
Ito, medyo pala. Medyo stiff dito.
Stiff.
Ah.
Okay, at the same time, hindi rin maka-full. This one. Ito yung chin nyo po dapat. Dapat yung chin nyo ay at least malapit. Here. Okay, kabila. Okay, this one. Oh, short. A little. Pagka chinek ko po, this one. Masakit?
Okay lang naman.
Saka masikip lang. Go up. Nagkakaroon ng limitation. And this one, here.
Ayan.
Masikip. Masakit din.
Ah.
Here. Sige, yuko po kayo. Yan. So, very good naman. This. Here. Push, push, push. Kamusta po ito?
Ayan.
Kamusta po
May
ito?
stress dyan.
May-
Doon sa batok lang,
Sa
pero
batok.
sa likod wala.
Very good. Here. Dikit sa tenga.
Hindi na.
Bakit?
Makipot na. Maganit na.
Masikip na. Okay, sige. Harap. All the way up. Lagpas sa tenga. Okay,
Wala
so
na.
ito na yung pinaka nagiging reason why. Dahil nagkakaroon na ng rounded, okay? At wala na sa tamang pwesto yung ating spine, which is nakukompromise na rin yung movement ng ating scapula. Ay wawala na siya doon sa pinaka range of motion na dapat niya kakalagyan. Okay? Ngayon, dito tayo po. Twist. Yan. O, ito na. Here.
Ayan.
Sige, saan po banda?
Masakit na rito, sa right.
Here. Sige, kabila po. Yan.
Ayan.
Naapektuhan na rin po yung ribs natin since marami ng misalignment.
Ayan.
Yan. With
Makipot
your
na
spine. Okay? Stand up. Ngayon, dito tayo. Dahan-dahan lang ha. Back bend. Sige po, kung hanggang
Ayan
saan.
lang.
Ito na.
Ah.
Okay. Forward bend po kayo. Okay? Sige, dahan-dahan na. Oh, this one. Okay? So, we have here. O, pipicturean ko po ang inyong spine, ha? Alright. Sige. So, magpo-focus tayo sa right side. Ano po? Right. Yakap sa sarili. Relax po ang shoulder. Yan. Yun po. Okay? Open your ribs. Open, 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 open. Stay. Okay? Now, I'll take your elbow. Yuko po kayo. This one. Okay, I'll check this one. Now, hold yung... See? Inhale po again. Exhale. Relax po ang shoulder. Good one. Nice. You good? Okay, kabila. Tingnan natin. Left over right. Good. We have to release first. Ito yung pinafocus natin as primary doing. Kasi para mas ma-execute nyo yung ibang kailangan natin gawin. Okay? Good. This one. Ready? Inhale. Exhale.
Yeah.
Nice one. You good? Nice. Now, dadapa po tayo. Sige. Okay? Check po natin lahat, ano?
Sige.
Especially dito sa lower side. Taas nyo po ito. Let's go up. Yun. This is for your iliac crest movement and pelvis movement. Sige, taas pa po.
Ayun na.
Mabigat po ba?
Oo.
Okay, kabila. Yan. Kamusta?
Ayun, mabigat din.
Mabigat din. Okay, ang normal dapat ay nandito. Sakit?
Ayun, straight na.
Okay, sige. So first is our iliac crest na tinatawag. Okay, here. Ready? Hinga. Exhale. Down, down, down. Good. Nice. And then, push it here. Ready? Hinga. Exhale. Huwag mo titira ng hangin sa tiyan. Nice one. Good. Now, we have to stretch. Open. Stretch po natin yung quads ninyo to unlock your iliac crest. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Good one. Last one. Hinga. Exhale. Nice. Lower. Good. Sobrang masikip. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Good. Masikip na. Last one. Good. Here. Lumbar. Good one. Next natin, which is your sacrum upper. Okay? And then with your lumbar 5. Ready? Go up. Yan. Very good. Sige, taas. Uno. Tigasan ng tugod. Yan. Good. Good. Kamusta po yan?
Sarap.
Now, let's see your vertebrae and ribs. This one here. Ready? Sige. I'll press this one and pull this one. Ready?
Okay.
Go. Inhale. Exhale. Down. Good. Again. Hinga. Exhale. That's 2. Hinga. Exhale. Nice. Last 1. Hinga, hinga. Breathe out. Down. Nice. Here. Ready? Inhale again. Exhale. Good one. Again. Hinga. Exhale. Good one. Last 2. Hinga. Down, down, down. Good one. Last 1. Down, down, down. Breathe out. Good. Woo. Now, this one. Sa middle ribs na tayo. Right here. Especially with your right here. Okay? I'll push and twist. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Good. Nice one.
Ayun,
Okay lang kayo?
Oo, nadali.
Okay, here. Upper side here. Ready? Inhale again. Exhale. Nice one. Good. Right there. Sige. Medyo stiff and tight na po ito, no? Kasi sa sobrang nakasanayan na. Mamaya magre-recommend po ako sa inyo later on ng exercise. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Good one. Okay, so sobrang tight. Kasi sobrang round na. This one. Here. Last one. Ready? Hinga po. Exhale. Sobrang tight. Dito tayo po sa inyong CT junction or cervical to thoracic 1 junction. Ito po yung nakita nating misalignment sa ating x-ray. Alright? Right there. Okay. I'll press this one and push. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Relax po yung shoulder. Good one. Okay. So tight here. This one. Ready? I'll push up. Good one. Here. Ready? Mas baba tayo sa C5 and C6. Inhale. Exhale. Relax po yung shoulder. Good one. Nice one. See? Now, let's check again kung ano yung improvement. Okay? This one. Up. Good. How is it now?
Medyo mas magaan.
Medyo gaan. Okay, kabila po. Yo, kamusta? Please, medyo mas tumaas na ng konti. Good. Alright. Ngayon ay sit down po kayo. Right over left. Okay, this one. Ito, nasa baba po ito. Ito, nasa baba. Ayan. Relax po yung shoulder. This one. Okay? Relax po yung katawan ninyo. Alright. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Oh, nice. Again. Pero makulit. Yuko po ulit. Hinga. Again. Exhale. So, tight sa upper. Tignan natin sa lower side. Pero makulit. Last na. Hinga po ulit. Relax po yung shoulder ninyo. Good. So, quiet. Now, let's see this one. Hawak po kayo sa akin. Sa kamay ko po. Yung ibaba po ang siko. Yeah, i-relax po ang shoulder. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Higa po kayo. Ihaya. Dito po tayo sa paa ninyo. Kaya?
Mhm.
Good one. Okay, now, this is for your metatarsal. Here, this one. Ready? Go, go, go. Clear. Lower side. Good one. This one. Nothing. Navicular bone. Good. Then for your talus bone. Relax po ito.
Oh.
Good. Nice. Next is for your cuboid. So upper. Sige, relax po ito. Turn and up. Nice. Kamusta?
Ah, parang may na-release dito sa balakang ko.
Yes. So kasama po yan dyan. Okay? Now, ito. Inner hip joint at sa inyong iliac crest. Dito po tayo sa inyong heel ha. O, ito
Sige.
connect natin yan dyan. And then, we have to turning in. Sige, relax po ito. Relax po yung legs. Turning in. Good. Turning in again. Good one. Sige, relax po yung legs. Nice one. Kamusta?
Sarap.
Here. Ready? Clear. Lower metatarsal. Good one. Middle side. Good. Navicular bone. Clear. Your talus. Right there. Wow. Any pain?
Wala.
Next is for your cuboid. Good one. Relax po ito. Nice one. You good? Next is for your heel. Turn. Good. Turn, turn, turn. Good one. Relax po ito. We have to turn in. Nice. Turn. Turn po ito. Para dyan sa iyong iliac crest, lumbar and pelvis. Okay? Relax. Reduction. Nice. Relax po na. Para siyang lupay-pay ba. Good. And here. Yung. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Unang titira ng hangin sa tiyan. Hinga again. Exhale. Okay, so tight. Right there. Ready? Hinga. Exhale. Breathe out. Good one. Okay, clear one. And now, magkakaroon po tayo ng specific decompression for your lumbar spine. Ngayon, once you exhale, let it out. Okay? Huwag magtitira ng hangin sa tiyan. Especially, lupay-pay lang ang lower extremities. Okay? Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Relax po yung shoulder. Good. Good. Saan niyo po siya naramdaman?
Sa may balakang.
Balakang. Pag-check ng cervical spine ay tinitignan natin yung trigger points kung masakit or hindi. How's this? Cervical mo?
Ayan, masakit.
Masakit. Number 2.
Masakit din.
Number 3.
Masakit din.
Number 4.
Ayan, masakit din.
Number 5.
Ayan, less.
Traps muscles.
Walang gana.
Acromion. Very good. Cervical spine again. 1,
Medyo.
2,
Ayan, masakit.
3.
Ayan, masakit.
Number 4.
Lesser.
5.
Walang gana.
Traps.
Okay na.
Acromion. Dito tayo sa left magsusimula. Okay? Stay relaxed. This is your cervical number 2. Good. And then rotation for your cervical number 3. Right there. Okay? Relax po ang shoulder. Inhale. Exhale. Good one. Nice. How is it? Good? Here. Okay, right positioning. Good. This is your cervical number 1, number 2. Okay? This one. And then rotation. Ready? Inhale. Exhale, relax my shoulder. Good one. Nice. See? Manual traction or decompression. Good. So now, this time, bite your teeth. Close your mouth. Naturally bite it. Okay? Good. Inhale again sa ilong. Exhale sa ilong. Right there. Relax po yung shoulder. Good. Nice. Musta?
Dito.
Mhm.
Lower.
Good. May naramdaman po kayo sa lower. Good. Okay? Magpo-focus na po tayo sa muscle recovery. Okay?
Okay.
Kamusta po yung nararamdaman ng muscles doon sa lower back?
Okay na.
Nag-subside na.
Oo.
Very good. Next, hands natin. Tumutunog
Oo.
with our carpal bones. Okay? I-prevent natin ito for any ngalay at pagod ng ating here. But it can lead the carpal tunnel syndrome or a trigger points here. Relax. Okay, very clear yung upper side. Good. 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 Okay. Relax po ang shoulder. Good. Elbow po tayo. Okay? Good one. Good one. Good. Clear. This one, turn. This one here, lower side. Clear one. Okay, upper last one. Very clear na. Good. Kamusta po ang pakiramdam? Sa
Ito
elbow.
parang nabawasan.
Good. Nice. Mas loose. Very good. Good one. Elbow. Clear. This one. Last one. Very clear. Okay, ang pinaka ginagawa natin is the safest procedure ng pag-release ng mga muscle knots and knuckle muscles. Okay, this is the fastest and safest para maiwasan natin yung pagkakaroon ng soreness and inflammation dahil sa sobrang pagkakahilo. Okay? So, kailangan ko po ng movement. Go. Tignan natin, ha?
Ayun, masakit.
Masakit po ito?
Oo.
Okay. And then, sideward down. Sige, try. Masakit. Ready? Good. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Sit down po muna kayo. Squeeze this one. Squeeze it. Okay? I'll push you forward. Pigilan niyo po ako, ha?
Sige.
Ready? Go. Sige. Ayan. Sige. Lakas. Go. Lakas pa. Go. Lakas pa po. Yun. That's it. Good. Okay, we have to stretch upper side. Okay, good. Here. Last one. Good. Very firm naman. Squeeze it. Ready? Squeeze yung po ito. Go. Push. Begin. Very firm. Nice. 10 more. Okay. Here. Now, higa po ulit. This time, engage your muscles. Ready? Go up. Tigasan ang shoulders. Matigas po ito dapat. Sige. Tigasan niyo po. Sige. Okay. Down. All the way down side. Sa bewang. Sa bewang. Very good. Now, relax your hands. Okay, last two, go up. How's this now?
Okay na.
Better. Down sideward po. Last one po. How's it now?
Better.
Very good. Sideward. Very down, down, down. Good. Nice. Ready, again. Good. One down sideward. Now, engage your muscles. Ready? Go down. Sideward. Good. Now, relax na po yung kamay. Ready? How's this now?
Better.
Good. Downside. Good. How's the feeling?
Masarap.
Sit down po tayo. Here. Relax po ito. Yung snap, snap, snap. Good.
No?
Nice. Ready? Snap, snap, snap. Relax po ito. Good one. Nice. Good. And then this is the sensitive part of the ears. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Kamusta po ang pakiramdam ninyo?
Buwan.
Kamusta po yung lower back nito?
Kung na, medyo na-relieve na. Unlike yung kaninang pag...
Bago tayo mag-start. Now, posture up. Kamusta po ito? Okay lang?
Okay na.
Turn to your left. Sagad. Go. Right. See?
Ayan.
Good. Tingala po kayo.
Eh, medyo relieve na ako. So,
Good. Check ko po ha. This one. Push. How's this?
okay lang naman.
Good. Nice. Kanina pag pinapush kita,
Masakit.
masakit.
Ah.
Okay? Very good. Ngayon, yuko. Okay, I'll push you down. Kamusta po ito?
Eh, medyo tumpa.
Konti pa.
Konti.
Okay? Kasi hindi siya sanay sa kung ano yung dapat natin ginagawa.
Mm.
Right. Ngayon, check natin yung traps muscles. Kanina ay sikip. Okay? Ready? Sikip sa tenga.
Ngayon, medyo okay.
Good.
Malapit lang.
Mas malapit na. Okay? Sa harap. Mas naging magaan ba?
Oo.
Good. So, this kind of therapy ay mas nakakatulong sa ating muscle recovery. Okay? At saka sa deformation, if ever meron man. Okay? Stand up po kayo. Next one. Ready? Back then. There you go. Good. Nice. Ngayon, picturean po natin ng ulit.
Sige.
Yung